For the past 60 years, the Council of Europe has been Europe's guardian of human rights and the driving force promoting their development. One of our proudest achievements, which was not there in 1949, is the ban on the death penalty in Europe. Why the move from an eye for an eye justice to banning the death penalty, even for the most heinous crimes? For a start, the death penalty is irreversible. Miscarriages of justice happen all too often. Nothing can bring back the life of an innocent person executed after having been wrongly convicted. Furthermore, and contrary to widely spread perceptions, death penalty does not lower the crime rate. In the United States, states which apply the death penalty have a higher murder rate than those that do not execute people. Death penalty undermines the process of mourning and forgiving, which can bring peace of mind to those bereaved by crime. Vengeance is a natural human reaction, but the truth is that there is no revenge in death. A dead person cannot feel remorse, regret a crime committed, or accept responsibility. No execution has ever brought back to life a loved one. Death penalty is always cruel, and sometimes executions degrade into torture. The fact that the person executed may have himself or herself committed an atrocious crime cannot be an excuse for a state, a public institution for which we vote and in which we trust, to violate the most basic human right, the right to life. For all these reasons, 2/3 of all the countries in the world have now abolished the death penalty in law or in practice. The Council of Europe applauds this progress, but there is still much work to be done in places where executions continue. Reliable sources estimate that during 2008, more than 2,300 people were put to death in only 25 countries. Nearly 9,000 people were sentenced to death in the same period. The death penalty is wrong. Let's end it, everywhere.